Child care centers across the nation that have been greatly affected by COVID-19 will soon see some relief with newly approved government funding. Twin States News' Forrest has more.
Since the start of the pandemic, child care facilities have been struggling to stay afloat. Gary Houston, owner of YET Learning Center, knows this all too well.
Our enrollment, of course, at one period we had to shut down, as most centers did. And then, of course, you had a number of parents who, because of COVID and the lack of information, not understanding what how it affects kids, we have a number of parents that still keep their kids at home.
To relieve the child care industry of financial burdens due to the pandemic, the Biden-Harris administration has announced the signing of the American Rescue Plan funding to help with economic recovery. The program will disperse $39 billion of American Rescue Plan funds to states, territories, and tribes throughout the country, where the state of Mississippi is expected to receive $519 million in child care funding. The funding will allow early child care educators and child care providers to keep their doors open. Houston says that the funding will help keep his center open so that his center can continue to essentially help those in his community.
This funding means an enormous amount to us. It means that we can look at the future. We continue to see that that there is a real investment in the need to have quality child care.
Houston feels that just like frontline medical workers, the child care industry helps keep the economy thriving.
Child care is an essential service because without child care, healthcare workers can't work. Those who are in service organizations can't work. In every facet of our society, child care centers is a vital role and a vital part in our community.
For Twin States News, I'm Forrest in Meridian.